Did you know that migraine isn't just a health issue? It is a financial cost. Migraine is one of the leading causes of disability in the world. You have missed work days, reduced productivity, and even missed promotion. It all adds up. The average person living with chronic migraine spends thousands yearly on medication, lost income, and healthcare visits. Here is one action step. Start by keeping the headache and expenses down. Track not only your migraine triggers, patterns, also your financial cost, the cost of missed work days, trip using a taxi to the hospital emergency room, buying over-the-counter medication, prescription medication, having an awareness of how your chronic migraine pain is affecting your life is the first step you should take. Awareness is the first step to change.